So today in this video, we're talking about something that we all want, but none of us have, a date. Hey guys, my name is Anuj Datta, and unlike me, if you guys have a date, well, first of all, congratulations buddy. Now, jokes aside, it's always difficult to decide what to wear on a date, especially if it's your first one. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys some outfit ideas that you can wear on 6 different types of date. Just a quick tip, don't try to wear something that you usually don't wear just to impress that girl. Try to become the best version of yourself. Don't try to become someone who you're not, because that's not going to work ever. But before we start this video, it has been scientifically proven that the more you watch my videos, the more stylish you get. It has been proven by these 2 people. So consider subscribing if you haven't already. All the links of the outfits are down in the description box below, so be sure to check them out as well. Now let's get back to the video. So first, let's talk about the most popular type of date, a coffee date. So for this type of date, I would suggest you to dress up a little bit more, because most of the time, guys go for a much more casual look for a coffee date, and you being a little dressed up will make her feel like you know how to dress up and present yourself and you stand out. But make sure that you're not dressing too much to the point that it becomes formal. Keep it casual but yet a little bit dressy, and for that, I went for a well-fitted black polo shirt, a pair of black jeans or chinos, it depends on what you want to go for, and a pair of white sneakers. Now you can see I went for an all black outfit because, who doesn't like an all black outfit? I'm pretty sure everyone, every girl does, everyone does, every guy does. I'm pretty sure everybody on this earth loves all black outfit. And this is a kind of an outfit that is sophisticated without being too dressy, if you know what I mean. Let's say you took her to a really nice, expensive, fancy restaurant for the date. If you're rich and can afford that, unlike me, your everyday look will not be appropriate for this occasion. I'm not saying that you should wear a 3-piece suit, although you sure can do that if that's your thing. But most of us like a little bit of a casual look. The key here is to be dressy enough for the venue and make it look like you made an effort. So for the outfit that I would like to go for is, of course, you guys know me very well, a suit with a t-shirt and sneakers look. I think this is dressy enough for most high-end restaurants, but if you're not into this, you can always swap the t-shirt with a shirt and the sneakers with some boots. And if you feel hot in the suit jacket, you can always take it off and still look dressy enough. Now the choice is yours. You can wear whatever you want to the date if you have a date, unlike me. #SadLife. Say you guys decided to meet over a lunch or a brunch. First of all, what is this concept of brunch? I don't get it. I really don't. Either it's breakfast or it's lunch. How can you do both together? Won't it be too much, and won't you feel hungry at the time of lunch and your breakfast time? Really, who invented this concept of brunch and who invented this word brunch? Let's not discuss about that. Let's get to the point. Now, since it's going to be mostly sunny during this time and probably hot as well, your best option here is to go for a lightweight or summer-friendly fabrics and almost no layering if the weather allows you to do that. But it's summer still at the time of shooting this video. So for the outfit, I went for a little bit of a relaxed fit, brick orange linen shirt, a pair of beige chinos and some suede loafers. I kept it fairly simple because if it's hot out there, wearing too many layers will just make you feel uncomfortable, and we don't want that. And this is a type of outfit that if everything goes well and the date extends to the evening, I can even wear it during the evening time and just be fine with it. Now let's talk about casual dinner date. You take her to your favorite restaurant, the food is great, the manager knows you, the waiter knows you, and the best part is it doesn't cost you your whole bank account. So for a casual dinner date, I'll suggest you to go for a edgy, cool look, because it's always better to be a little overdressed than being underdressed. So go for darker colors, rings, boots instead of sneakers. All those small details will make your outfit look a little bit more cooler, if you know what I mean. So for the outfit, I have a pair of black Chelsea boots, some black jeans, a pair of black patterned shirt, and a denim jacket over it to make it look like I did put some effort in choosing the outfit, and some accessories to spice up the looks even further. And this is the kind of an outfit that girls love, that bad boy vibes. This is the outfit, this will surely impress her. I forgot the words. So let's say that
Fast and Furious 9 just released and you plan to take her to the movie. First of all, great choice, buddy. But that doesn't mean you can dress up in a t-shirt and joggers. Well, you sure can, but she won't really like it maybe. Also, you're going to be sitting cramped in a movie theater for 2 hours. So you need to think about your comfort as well. So this time, I went for a pair of black chinos instead of black jeans to stay comfortable, and a black t-shirt and a denim shirt for an extra layer because it can sometimes get chilly in the movie theaters. Yeah, I know, I've been there, you've been there, we all know. A shirt is great because it is not too thick and you can easily take it off if you feel like and fold it or tie it around your waist. You can literally do anything. And then for the shoes, I have my Converse because they literally go with everything and they're pretty comfortable as well. But you can choose a sneaker of your choice. It's your choice. You don't need to wear Converse like I said. You can choose any sneaker that you are comfortable in. Say you were to do a little active date than your standard coffee or movie date. Maybe you decided to walk in a park followed by a small picnic, or you took her to a concert. Oh yeah, it's 2021. There are no concerts. Hashtag sad life. Maybe you are taking her to play some indoor games, bowling or something like that. Chances are you're going to be walking, so definitely wear a comfortable pair of shoes. And depending upon the weather, you can layer up as well. So for the outfit, I have my white Vans. Then I have a pair of slim cargo pants. But, if you don't want to go for cargo pants, you can always go for some relaxed fitting jeans like you guys can see. These are the same looks with different type of pants, a white t-shirt and a short sleeve gray shirt. And then if you want, you can layer up even further according to the weather.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys got the answer to what to wear on a date question. And if you like this video for whatsoever reason, or if you find it helpful, please leave a like down below. It would mean a lot to me. And a subscribe to the channel would be sublime. So consider subscribing. Also follow me on Instagram. My username is @IAM_Anuj_Datta. And I will also leave the links down in the description box below. I've been putting out a lot of reels, a lot of outfit ideas. So be sure to follow me over there as well. Also, if you have any video suggestions or any questions, just feel free to leave it in the comment section below. I read all the comments, I give a reply to them all as soon as possible. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.